You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. These words, I should say, those two words, they look similar. They have somewhat similar pronunciations, but they are different pronunciations. The top word is a type of hat, a cap. It's an ah sound, very open, cap. The bottom word is a cup, which is something you use for drinking or a unit of measurement, cup. Cap, cup, cap, cup. Can you hear the different pronunciations? Are you able to pronounce them correctly? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments down below. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.